Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Opel Mokka 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me show it. Firstly, this is a special header unit for Opel Mokka. Let me introduce harness and combat it first. You can check this special harness adapter. Okay. This is canvas box for Opel Mokka. This connector connects to our back header unit, back radio. Okay, and there is original radio antenna. This radio antenna. This radio antenna. Okay, and there is plug special for Opel Mokka. Plug and play. Yeah, you can check. Okay, and there is camera input, and AUX input left and right, and this for steering wheel control, K1 and K2, and GND for steering wheel control wire. Okay, this is special harness. It comes with this GPS antenna, and this two USB cable. This long cable, one, two USB cable, and external microphone. And this original USB. This radio antenna. Okay, this camera input. This connects to back header unit, and this camera input, and this cable, subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2. This video out front and rear, left and right. And this AUX input left and right, this video input connected to back header unit. Okay, let me show header unit. Okay, this is drum agent, and this header unit. You can check it back. Dash kit. This is power. It's fuse is GPS, is connected for audio, USB cable and other cable. This is radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Connect power cable on back. Okay, head unit start. Okay, started. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Oh, it's here. Very fast response. It's DSP amplifier. And it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. It's an easy connection for Mirrorlink. This home button and this IST reset hole. This is built-in microphone. This home button back volume. This time update by GPS or Wi-Fi. This radio, you can click button to search the radio stations. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support 4G or 3G. Check the button motion. You can check MC volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, PX5 octa-core, Android 9 Pie system. It's 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. Car settings, you can check personal settings. Autoplay music, power and ACC delay standby. LED settings, you can change the gray, blue, any color. You can adjust this panel. We choose the red. And the illumination is vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone night mode, and the driver settings is reverse volume, watch video, and rear view ruler, tracking display, X mirroring, show front radar, voice, open door or close, steering wheel controls. Okay, that's all. Thank you.